Hi, good morning, grade 2. How are you doing? Hope you're enjoying your e-learning. Okay, today I want to teach you how the earth changed. How the earth changed. How the earth changed. For the past 2 weeks, we've been talking about land and water. Then I told you 3 things covers the earth. I told you the water, the soil, and the what? Plant. So we talked about different landforms that we have. We have different landforms where we have the mountain, the hill, the valley, and we have different bodies of water, which I told you about. I told you about rivers and streams. I told you about ocean. I told you about glaciers. I hope you still remember all this. So today, how does the earth change? Do you think the earth change? Yes, the earth can change. Now, let me start with this paper. This is not an help, but let's use this paper as an example. Everybody, can you see this paper? Now I want to change this paper. I can change the shape of the paper. Can you see? I'm changing the shape of the paper from rectangle to square. I'm changing the shape of the paper from rectangle to square. I'm just giving an example of how things change. Now I've changed from rectangle to square. So let's talk about change on earth. Can we say that, everybody? Changes on earth. Again, changes on earth. Earth is always changing. Earth is always changing. In your book, you can underline this. Try to create a smart card for this so you can remember the words and the lettering. Some changes happen fast. Now, you need to know that we have 2 types of changes. A change can be very fast and a change can be very slow. So you need to know this. A change can be very fast and a change can be very slow. So, some changes happen fast. Some changes happen fast. Other changes are very slow. Other changes are very slow. Then let's see example of a fast change and a slow change. Let's see an example of a fast change and a slow change. Don't forget, we were discussing about changes on earth. Now, one of the example of fast change, a truck dig a hole in the ground. Do you know a truck? All this big vehicle that used to pack sand. I don't know if you've seen them before. They used to dig the vehicles that used to make the road. All this truck, yeah. A truck dig a hole in the ground. Let me show you the picture in your book so you can see it. A truck digs a hole in the ground. This truck moves rocks and soil. This is what they call trucks. We have different types of trucks. So these trucks moves rocks and soil. Now that is a very fast change. That is a very fast change. Now let me give example for slow change. The flowing water carries away bits of rock and soil. Now, when there's water, like for example, when there's rain, when there's erosion, they carries away bits of rock and soil. And this changes land slowly. This type of change happens slowly. This changes land slowly. Again, let me take it again. I said the earth can change. Earth is always changing, and we have two changes can happen. It can be very fast and it can be very slow. A change can happen fast and it can be very slow. Then I give an example of fast change and a slow change. And I told you a truck dig a hole in the ground is a fast change, and the flowing water carries away bits of rock and soil. Taking away the topsoil is a slow change because this changes land slowly. So in your book, please try to underline these words. You can actually create a smart water. You should know water. Flowing, moving water, like a stream, like an ocean, like river, they are flowing water. They are flowing water. So in your book you can underline this so you understand. And in case you have any question, please always message me. I will respond to your question. And if you like this video, drop an emoji for me. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next class. Bye.